Dean village was described in an article from the Edinburgh Evening News in August 1934. A stony pathway winds down from Belford Road to the metal footbridge under which the dirty water of Leith passes. This river has little appeal to the lovers of beauty. Across the bridge are tenements and houses on all sides, many derelict and in a state of collapse. To the left, through a series of narrow closes and steps, lies a tannery from which comes a most horrid smell.
Lived across the waters of Leith in a flat, and he didn't like having a view of the slum from his window, so he had Welsh court built so that, well, he had something to show off to his friends when they came round.
Given that R.J. Finlay commissioned the building and he requested it to be in the style of a Bavarian village, he also added some architectural features to convey a sense of Scottishness. You can see here a thistle in the ironworks above the doorways, and also his initials in the lintel.
Wells Court was extremely overcrowded, as shown in the 1891 census, where 7 people were living in number 5 Wells Court.
Honestly, like, the ambience here is really tranquil, and I couldn't believe that this once was in such a state that people lived like 9-10 people to a flat. The overcrowding must have been terrible, but it's the complete opposite of that now.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area, isn't it?
It's just nice and still.
It's nice and still.
In the new town especially, it's all like cars and loud and people bumping into each other and people walking quickly in offices.
It's an oasis of calm.
My first impressions of this courtyard is that it's really quite peaceful. You can see why a lot of posh people decide to move into this area. Yeah, certainly worth every penny.
So my first impressions of this place is that it feels quite like a Oxford or Cambridge college, with like all the staircases, people living on the staircases, and it's very clean as well.
So I came to Edinburgh first about 3 months ago as a student. I remember my first steps, I just felt like I was transferred into a medieval town. It's a wonderful place, I've loved it here.
I feel like the sort of like open structure of the courtyard it really reflects like Patrick Geddes' philosophy. He was like a sort of polymath of Edinburgh, and his he was all about like living connected to the environment and sort of creating these like open spaces to like act against the kind of like slum dwelling squalor and sort of improve hygiene. He thought by bringing in the fresh air it would improve like living conditions, and I definitely feel like this space like adheres to that ethos quite a lot, and you can hear the birds, you can hear the water, so you definitely feel really connected to the environment around you.